Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to solve system of linear equations word problems. So let's get started. Miss Kids worked at a music store. Last week she sold 6 more than 3 times the number of the CDs she sold this week. Miss Kids sold a total of 110 CDs over 2 weeks. Which system of equation can be used to find L, the number of CDs she sold last week, T, the number of CDs she sold this week? So let's write down two variables that is mentioned here. L is equal to number of CDs that is sold in last week. T is the number of CDs sold in this week. Let's go back. Second sentence. Last week, she sold 6 more than 3 times of the CD that she sold this week. So, last week L, 6 more than plus 6, then 3 times the number of CDs that she sold this week. That means 3T. L plus 6 equal to 3T. That's the equation 1. Let's put down into standard form. 3T minus L is equal to 6. That is question number 1. Equation number 1. I'd rather say, and total is 110 series. So T plus L is 110. This is the equation number 2. So these two equations, we can make it by reading the whole word problem. So let's do the simplification and solving. Minus L plus L. As you know, if the signs are opposite, we have to add two equations. If they have the same signs, we subtract two equations so that we can get rid of one unknown or one variable. So minus L plus L is 0. 3T plus T is 4T is equal to 6 plus 110 is 116. 4T equal to 116. To get rid of 4T, I divide both sides by 4. T is equal to 29. I'm putting the value of T in equation 1. Putting the value of T in equation 1. 3 into 29 minus L equal to 6. So L is equal to 3 into 29 minus 6. 87 minus 6. L equal to 81. So last week, Miss Kids sold 81 CDs and this week she sold 29 CDs. Move on to the next problem. The length of a rectangle is equal to triple the width. Which system of equation can use to find the dimension of the rectangle if the perimeter is 86 centimeter? So this is the rectangle. We assume length is equal to L, width is equal to W. The first condition they gave, the length is equal to the triple of the width. So L is equal to 3W. It's our first equation, or standard form writing L minus 3W is equal to 0. That is equation 1. And their perimeter is 86. So as you know, the formula of the perimeter is 2 into length plus width. That is 86. It means length plus width equal to, I divide both sides by 2, is 43. This is our second equation. L minus 3W equal to 0 and L plus W is equal to 43. Let's subtract the second equation from first equation. For that, we have to change all the signs. Plus L minus L0 minus 3W minus W is minus 4W is equal to minus 43. W is equal to minus 43 divided by minus 4 equal to 10.75. So W is equal to 10.75 centimeter and the length will be 3 times W. So 3 into 10.75 which is 32.25 centimeter. So length equal to 32.25 centimeter and width is 10.75. Let's move on to the third problem. At college bookstore, Carla purchased a math textbook and a novel at the cost of 54, not including tax. If the price of the math book N is 8 more than 3 times the price of the novel N, they already mentioned the unknown letters we need to use. Which system of linear equation could be used to determine the price of each book? So M is the price of math textbook and N is the price of the novel. First condition, Carla purchased a math book and a novel book at total cost of 54. So M plus N is equal to 54. That's equation 1. The price of the math book M is 8 more than 3 times at the price of the novel, that is 3n. So let's make it a standard form, the second equation, m minus 3n, n is equal to minus 8. So first equation is m plus n equal to 54 and m minus 3n equal to minus 8. As you know, m, both are the positive m. So if we subtract the second equation from first equation, we can get rid of this unknown n, and the equation we'll get is having only the unknown n, and that will be helpful for us to solve. I'm subtracting, plus become minus, minus become plus, minus become plus. Plus m minus m 0, plus n plus 3n equal to 4n is equal to 54 plus 8 is 62. So n is equal to get rid of 4, so 62 divided by 4, to 5 is 20. So n equal to 15.5. I'm writing neatly 15.5 is the value of the novel, $15.5. Let's find the value of m by putting the value of n in the equation. M is equal to 54 minus n, because I'm putting in equation 1, m plus n equal to 54, so m equal to 54 minus n. The actual value of n is 15.5, 48.5. We can also recheck. Let's see, 48.5 and 15.5 make it 54 or not. In that way, you can always recheck your answer by putting the answer in the condition. So here, see, there is some problem here. So it will be 38, not 48. Now it's fine. See, I did double check. That's why I able to find out why my mistake is. So the value of the math book is 38.5. Value of the novel is 15.5. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe this channel.